casino, when P-Square never quarrel, you know if you carry them. Now where they don't quarrel, where if you say go carry them with 3,000. Now this casino, it can take advantage of people's situation. Now so you go bring Two-Face last year when Natasha they give her problem. They like who they suffer. Bro, Benin know they joke with artists where they don't fall. They use Oligbese to the answer Oligbese wrong.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
They just call me on a no clap. I even like us on a no clap because all of us they suffer. Now me be the first married man where they regret in marriage. Because my wife I know they see and use. Bro, if you born girl, thank your God, no go born boy you. You know say I carry my pikin name go Ailala. Pikin when I born, no they allow me see my wife breast use. E get when my boy pikin suck my wife breast reach. I don't know when I ask my wife, baby, do you know this boy before? Because he come like saying now my wife S. Where be this? My wife go they suck. Where be this? My wife, this boy too suck breast. This same boy can eat. My pikin, his name na Joshua, and I'll go kill him. My pikin do it oh. Saefes no be joko. My pikin finish children food, finish adult food. Me where be adult. Yesterday I enter house and they ask my wife, which food they? They say na only Cerelac remain. Me where be adult. Now I tell my wife, say me also no kill me. Make Cerelac for me. Baba now eat children food. I call they behave like small pikin. For my house, I call they tell my wife by 3 a.m. say I don't want to sleep. My wife call they beg me, please sleep now. My wife call they sing for me. Me where get baby. My wife call they sing for me, baby. Cha do baby. I no still gree sleep. Because na kpako I be until my wife sing hey ya before I sleep. Baba mo na enjoy na life oh. My daughter, she's just 3 years. I'm not sure say that girl no say na me born now. Because the way he go see casino, he go shout daddy. He go see Edo Pikin, go shout daddy. My daughter never know say na me born now. But unto say that they stress us for us, that's a man carry and go school. Now carry this girl go school. They call tell me say school fees now 500,000. I know first now pay 500,000. I reach their school, man go pick my pikin. I put here for gate wait at the end. I be you are a very good player. So I they pay money, make my pikin they play. Not to pay me the woman come they say she has not started school, she's in play school for 500,000. How much are they finish Unibe? Now me just contact the woman say for me to pay 500,000 naira. Now if you say my pikin go move from play school to NYC. Nothing pay me. Before the Congo holiday, so the woman come tell me, say, be happy, oh. Your daughter is the most playful student here. Just so they shout, baby, cha do, baby, cha. Anyway, she's not a dropout. Idiot, who go pay that school fees? Destiny Bagwa, I greet you. Now man you be. I like this leader. You know, so now let Destiny backward do bachelor's Eve for second wife.
The statement maker.
How you go do bachelor's Eve for second wife? Who are you? You are a dabush kabash.
You're beautiful.
But na man you be. Wait till I tell love this man, and now the way they love in 2 wives equally. Mona clap for I know easy. Baba, how you tell do one? Only one wife who I get. Now yesterday I asked my wife, who are you? Baba, this Nigeria now, you can't survive with one work. That's why this place where I get this hall, they get hotel. Monday Okpevolo now, he get hype men. No mind them. Edo is what? Edo is what?
Governor.
Stop. Edo is what? Shining. He get hype men. One pastor for my area now, he don't open chemist. If he pray for you, make your headache he go buy paracetamol for you. The guy don't want stress himself. One hospital said for Coromina, don't get mortuary. They treat you, you die, they still hold you. You will know if you take their money, go anywhere. That's why you don't find out, say, even schools now, church they day. So you cannot survive. That's why all the shower way they here. This is, write it down. This will help you in 2026. A shower place, write it down. You cannot be an ashawo and you say you know sabi massage. Who are you? They goes together. That's why you see say Harrison now. Harrison, he dey rescue kidnappers. If they no kidnap person, he go kidnap them. Because he has to be what? Busy. Bro, you just, Mr. Success, I see you. You don't see stripper for abroad. My leader, you don't see stripper for abroad, see stripper. If you go strippers club for abroad there, no matter how you tell love God rich, you will fall in love. Stripper, you see stripper go just yellow. Stripper body go just neat. Now they go do strippers club for upper, normal you. For the first time, they can't tell us say stripper, they come from Morocco. Now stripper push it to. I call the see Isha mark for stripper belly. If now clap, now clap, now so you. Isha mark for stripper. Now, ma give una leader, help me with this share. Ma give them one example of stripper. Now, if you see the way that they spray stripper for Abuja, they know they stress stripper. Leader, you get any money there? Ma tell you this joke. No, not before my own good. The fee pick can give you later. This is a CEO Millennium Hotel. Mona clap for her. Leader, look for money for stripper. No be burial. This one they find 5 naira. Oh, stripper. Leader, if you see this money, ma die. I'm a stripper. I will strip for you tonight. You do say, even if casino see this money, go strip. This casino now, so when P-Square never quarrel, you know if you carry them. Now where they don't quarrel, where if you say go carry them with 3,000. Now this casino, it can take advantage of people's situation. Now so he go bring Two-Face last year when Natasha they give her a problem. They like who they suffer. Bro, Benin know they joke with artists where they don't fall. They use Oligbese to the answer Oligbese wrong. Bro, you know say that for drag bar, don't go rent house for Ugbowo. They know they joke with who don't fall. Now, may I explain stripper for you for... See how they take the spray stripper for Abuja? DJ, play for me. See the stripper Nyash. Abuja, big boy. Stop! I I don't want to spray the money. May no be like I know see my money. See stripper yacht for Abuja. Now they don't spray and they don't come out. No time. They don't already hit mic for me. No time. See how they did a spray stripper for no man your upper. DJ play. Wait, you get any Omagbe song? Song where relate to burial. Because first they know the stripper know them. You know there is a difference between familiar spirit and evil spirit. Familiar spirit, you know them, say now then they do you. You don't understand? You don't see where Oyibo they cast out evil spirit. You don't go London now. Evil spirit leave this body. Evil spirit know the strike go say, I'm going. Not be Adua where they go give my uncle wish. They no give him feather join. My uncle call the trek go Kovu. Who make and join wish so now I use more to kill him. What God cannot do. See stripper. Leader man, you do this stripper because I'm a stripper. Stripper for upper. Did you play any music that will verse you? DJ, reduce them. First, only one person know the spray that they line. They will call the tongue around the stripper like saying at their body. First, reduce them. DJ stop. You call the Osas, more turn back. This girl don't born. Bring her down. What did they pay me? Who the money there with? Why supposed spray money go they shout? Hey, this one get paid this. So. Now they want spray the stripper. DJ play. Stop. As he hits stripper nyash, in guys go come shout for back. You the pamper nyash. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is King James. Enjoy the rest.
Ladies and gentlemen, outside in the building. MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good